Hello, have a good day. Today we are starting the PHP programming unit 1. PHP, the programming language. What is PHP? PHP is a server-side scripting language that is used to develop static website or the dynamic website or the web application. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. The earlier stood for personal homepage. When this PHP is developed, so the name is given personal homepage. PHP script can only be interpreted on the server that has the PHP installed. The client computer accessing the PHP script required a web browser only. The PHP file contain PHP tag and the file is saved with the extension .php. Now question is arising. It is a server-side scripting language. So what do you mean by the server scripting language? What is a scripting language? A script is a set of programming instructions that is interpreted at runtime. That is called the script. So a scripting language is that language or is a language that interpret script at runtime. So scripts are usually embedded into the other software environment. So what is the purpose of a script? So the purpose of a script is usually to enhance the performance or to perform the routine task for an application. So server side scripts are interpreted on the server while the client side scripts are interpreted by the client applications. So PHP is a server side script language because it is server side script that interpreted on the server, while the JavaScript is an example of client side script that is interpreted by the client browser, and both PHP and JavaScript can be embedded with the HTML pages. Now the question is, what is the difference between programming language and scripting language? So here it is to be programming language. Programming language having all the features that needed to develop the complete application, whereas in the scripting language that are mostly used for the routine task only. So the code in the programming language, the code has to be compiled before it can be executed. There is no need of compilation because the code are usually executed without compiling in the scripting language. Programming language does not need to be embedded into the other languages, but scripting language usually embedded into the other software environment. So these are some differences between the programming language and the scripting language. Thank you to all of you.